In this video, I'll solve CSIR NET June 2018 Part-A questions of Mathematical Sciences, Earth Sciences and Chemical Sciences. Let us take up the first question. A and B move clockwise around a circle. Starting from a common point O, I have marked the common point here O. A takes 9 minutes to complete a round but restarts after a delay of 1 minute. B takes 13 minutes to complete the round but restarts after a delay of 2 minutes. How many minutes after they begin would they meet again at O? So we can split it like this. A takes initially 9 minutes, then he takes 1 minute rest, so it is 10 minutes here. Then once again he restarts, takes 9 minutes to complete, 19 minutes. Then once again takes 1 minute rest, 20 minutes. Then once again he starts walking in along the circle, so it is 29 minutes and so on. 1 minute delay 30, then 39 minutes, it goes on. Similarly for B, initially B takes 13 minutes to complete a round, then B takes 2 minutes rest, so total 15 minutes here. Then 15 plus 13 to complete the second round, 28 minutes. Then again 2 minutes rest, so from there 30 minutes, 30 plus 13, 43 minutes and goes on. Now B reaches the point O at the second round at 28 minutes. A still has 1 minute left to reach that point O, but after 28 minutes, B will stay at the point O only for 2 minutes, because after 2 minutes delay, B starts once again. So B will be there at the point O. So when A reaches, therefore they both meet together at the point O for about 29 minutes from the starting point. So answer would be second option. Second question, 14 of the students in the class are girls, 14 are girls, 8 students in the class wear blue shirts, 2 are neither girls nor wear blue shirts, 2 are boys we can consider. Then 5 students who wear blue shirts are girls, 5 who wear blue shirts are girls, blue shirts. So how many students are there in the class? So I am using the Venn diagram, very simple. One set is the number of girls, another set is number of students who are wearing blue shirt. So common region is both girls as well as blue shirts. There are 5 girls who are wearing blue shirts, so 5 will come here. Total there are 14 girls. Out of 14, 5 already written, 9 remaining. Then there are total 8 students who are wearing blue shirts, 5 already written, remaining is 3. There are 2 students who are neither girls nor wearing blue shirts, so that comes outside the region G union B, so that I have written here 2 here. So this universal set represent the total number of students. Therefore, total number of students here 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 together, that is equal to 19. Next question. A stick of length L is broken into 2 pieces at random. What is the average length of the smaller pieces? So it is length L initially. It is broken into 2 pieces. As a starting first piece length would be L by 2 exactly at this point. So no smaller piece as of such, but it will take maximum possible length of smaller piece is L by 2. Then I can do it like this: L by 3, L by 4, any length. So always the length of the smaller piece ranges from 0 to L by 2 maximum. Therefore average, we are taking the range here, minimum value, maximum value, and we are taking the average of the range, 0 plus L by 2 divided by 2, so that is equal to L by 4. Hence the option is second option. Fourth question, a long distance runner finds a water station after completing 1/7 of the total distance. Total distance, I will take it as D. After completing 1/7 of the total distance, he finds a water station. So here there is a water station. Okay, this is water station. Then after covering another 1/6 of the total distance, that is D by 6 of the total distance, then he gets medical aid. Another runner joins him 4 kilometer after the medical aid. So after the medical aid, 4 kilometer after the medical aid, Now, the second runner will join. The second runner stops 4 kilometer before the completion of run. So both starts running together before the completion of the run. That is 4 kilometer before the completion. This much must be 4 kilometer. Then this second runner stops here, covering a total distance of half of the total distance. So the distance covered by the second runner, that is this much, x is equal to half of the total distance. This much data we have initially. So now what I have to do is this together, d by 7 plus d by 6 plus 4 plus x together, that is nothing but total distance minus 4 kilometers. So I have written that equation here. Then take LCM, d minus 8, this 4 comes to the other side, then d by 7 plus 2d by 3, all that simplification. When you complete all these simplification, d comes out to be 42 kilometers. So the answer is third option. Next question, movement of a car with respect to time is given below. This is a time and this is the speed. So it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 all the together. Initial velocity is 0, speed is 10 plus 10 plus 30 plus 40 plus 30 plus 30, then again 0. So either you can count all this till 7, total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7, that gives you 21.43. Fourth option is the answer. Sixth question, a fuel station sold diesels costing 15,000 rupees to 150 persons on a day. If the lower limit of sale to a person is rupees 50, what is the maximum amount in rupees for which one person could have purchased diesel on that day? So we don't know the maximum amount. We will take the maximum amount as x be the maximum amount. Remaining 149, x be the maximum amount that is taken by one person. So out of 150, that one person gone, he has paid maximum amount. Remaining 149% took diesel for 50 rupees because the minimum cost. If the lower limit of the sale to a person is 50 rupees, so other persons would have taken it for 50 rupees. That is we are considering. So 149 into 50 plus that maximum amount should be equal to 15,000. So x comes out to be 7,550. So this is one possibility we are taking. There might be other people who have taken in between 50 and the maximum amount, but we are taking it in the form of a range, that is minimum value and maximum value. Next question. The area of the triangle found by joining the points 2017, these points given. So I will be marking here 2017, this point, then 2027 and 2027, this point, and 2037 and 2017. This is the triangle. Very simple. Area of the triangle, half into base into height. Half into base is starting from 2017 to 2037 till here. So 20 units. Then height is 2017 to 2027, that is 10 units. When you simplify this, answer is 100, second option. Next, eighth question, if Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother, then how am I related to Sangeeta? So Sangeeta's daughter is, somebody is telling, Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother. So this is Sangeeta's daughter. My daughter's mother is Sangeeta's daughter. Correct. No, so this is, there are only two possibilities. Either son-in-law can tell this or daughter can tell this. Daughter can tell that Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother. Okay, that is one possible. Son-in-law also can tell that. Means Sangeeta's daughter's husband. Son-in-law also can tell the same way. Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother. So son won't come. If son is telling that Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother, so that is impossible because son and daughter combination, it is possible only with the husband of that daughter, not with other person. So fourth option, son-in-law or daughter. Next question. 4 males M1, M2, M3, M4 and 4 females are sitting around a round table facing away from the table as shown in the figure below. If each one moves 3 position to his or her right and then 1 position to the left, then in which direction F4 faces? 3. So they are facing away from the table. So they will be sitting facing away from the table, that is face is that side. So therefore they have to move f4. They are asking f4, 1 2 to the right of f4 means towards this direction, 1 2 3, 3 units means 3 positions, his or her right, and then one position, one moves 3 position to his or her right, then one position to the left till here, then one position to coming back. So here f4 will be sitting, that is nothing but northeast direction, hence option answer is second option. Similarly, 10th question, Professor Murthy likes to let her students choose who their partners will be. However, no pair of students may work together for more than 7 class periods in a row. Alice and Bob have worked together for 7 class periods, so this is done. Kelvin and Denny have worked together for 3 class periods in a row. Kelvin and Denny. Then Calvin doesn't want to work with Alice, so this is impossible pair because they don't want to work together. Who should be assigned to work with Bob? Now Bob can be assigned to work with Kelvin because only one possibility here. uh, Alice, already Alice Bob combination done, so Bob can't work with Alice again. Bob can work with either Kelvin or Denny. If we assign Denny to Bob, what happens? Kelvin should be assigned to Alice because they don't want to work with each other. Therefore, only possibility is Kelvin has to work with Bob. So first option is the answer. So next question, that is 11th question. In a group of 44 players, 26 play hockey. So we have to draw a Venn diagram. Total 44 players are there. 26 play hockey, 24 play football, and 24 play cricket. 8 of them play both hockey and football. 12 play both football and cricket. 5 play all the 3 games. So first I'll be writing this common region 5. Then they had given that 12 play both football and cricket. Football and cricket both 12, 5 already written, so 7 remaining. Then 8 play, the 8 of them play both hockey and football. Hockey and football 8, 5 already written, remaining is 3. So we have to find the answer for this region. This, what is the total number of people who play both hockey and cricket? So I don't know this value, I'll name it as X, but there are like total number of people who, students or players who play hockey is 26. So 5 plus 3, 8. 26 minus 8, that gives you 80 minus X. So together. Similarly here, the 24 people or player will play football. So that gives you 12 plus 7, 19. So 26, 24 minus 19. So that gives you the answer here, 24 together. So no, this one, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 24 minus 15, the answer is 9. Similarly, 24 player play cricket. So 7 plus 5 12, 24 minus 12 plus x together. So we have to subtract. Total is 24. Now here what amount I have to subtract is 5 plus 7 plus x. So 24 minus 12, that is 12 minus x. This is the remaining amount. Total, there are 44 players, so the, as per the formula, 44 equal to, add up all these values, then you will get the value of x. Value of x is coming to be 10. 10 answer is also there, but this is not the answer because we want this full region who play hockey and cricket. So x plus 5 is the answer, that is 10 plus 5, 15 is the answer. Next, 12th question, it is given that a star equal to a if a greater than 0 for any real number a, and 0 if a less than or equal to 0. Suppose for two real numbers x and y, xy whole star is x star into y star, then which of the following is necessarily true? This is simple. If any one is positive, the other one should be negative. If the other becomes negative, suppose x is positive and y is negative, so in that case what happens, this y star, y negative means it comes out to be 0. 0 into anything, it is 0. Similarly, xy whole star means positive into negative, it gives negative. Whenever any quantity is negative, it gives you 0. So the answer is 0. LHS equal to RHS. This is true in one case. Either x greater than or equal to 0 or y greater than or equal to 0. If both are positive, then also this is true. X star, y star equal to, you will get xy. then xy whole star is also equal to xy, because xy whole star both are positive means product is also positive. So xy greater than 0 means answer is xy. In this case also answer is xy. Therefore, if any one is 0, and last cases if any one is 0, definitely the left hand side and the right hand side should be equal to 0. Therefore, fourth option, not just the first option, fourth option is the answer. Either one positive or y positive or both positive, and both can be equal to 0. 13th question, another question. Let us see the 13th question. A number of times a research paper is viewed and cited is shown in the plot. In which month was the percentage increase in citation more than the double of the percentage increase in view? Just go through this graph. So I will calculate for May. You can look into the other months also. For May, percentage increase in citation is the final value 4 minus initial value 2 divided by 4 into 100, because 50%. Double of percentage increase in views here, obtained views 9 minus 7 divided by 9 into 100, that is double of this value 400 by 9, 44.4%. Therefore, the citation is greater than the number of views for May month. The third option is the answer. 14th question, which of the following options is the best choice for missing number? See, 0.1, 0.25, 0.3, all three together, 0.2, 0.5, 0.6, then 0.3, 0.9, and 0.4, 1 and 1.2. When you look into this with the first one, for this, to get the second one, they have multiplied with 2. To get the third one, we have to multiply by 3. To get the fourth series, we have to multiply with 4. So it is 0.2, 0.5, here 6. Then similarly with the 3.3, 0.25 into 3 is nothing, 0.75. So third option is the answer. 15th question. Consider a number 54 expressed in a base different from 10. So I don't know what is that base. I have to find it out. What is the base of this number system? If it is equivalent value in the decimal system is 49. So it must be equal to 49. You have to check with your options. That's it. Base 1 if it is, then this is 1 to the power 1 and 1 to the power 0. That is 5 plus 5 into 1 plus 4 into 0. 1 to the power 0 is 1. 4 into 1, that gives you 9. It is not equal to 49. Base 3 means 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1. 5 3 is 15 plus 4, 19. Base 6 means 6 plus 4, 5, 6 plus 4, 34. Base 9 means it is 9 to the power 0, 9 to the power 1. That is 5 into 9 plus 4 into 1. That gives you 49. So fourth option is the answer. Next, which of the options is appropriate for the blank space? So look at the first figure. It is folded first, folded, then it is turned to the right, Similarly here, this has to be folded first, then turn to the right. When you turn this to the right, this comes here, and the folded portion means this arrow mark will be down. Second option is the answer. Next question. 17th question. In the diagram, what is the ratio of the total shaded area of the circle and semicircle to the total area of the square and the rectangle? So area of the square, it is side is a square. Area of the rectangle is nothing but a. This is a into a by 2, length into breadth, a square by 2. Area of circles, this is a complete circle. So pi, not pi a, its radius is a by 2. So pi a square by 4. Area of the semicircle, that is pi a square by 4 divided by 2, because it is half of the circle. So pi a square by 8. Now we want to find out the ratio. The ratio of the total area. Total area is pi a square by 4 plus pi a square by 8 whole divided by the area of the square and circle, a square plus a square by 2. When you simplify this, you will get the answer. Fourth option, that is pi by 4. Next question is the 18th question. Two students are solving the same problem independently. Means these are two independent events. If the probability that the first one solves the problem is 3 by 5, P of A solves is 3 by 5, P of B solves is 4 by 5, then that the second solves problem is 4 by. What is the probability that at least one of them solves the problem? At least one of them means either A solves or B solves or both A or B solves. So here they have given independent events. So for independent events, P of A intersection B is always equal to P of A into P of A. Make use of this formula, do the substitutions, and it comes out to be 23 by 25. That is the fourth option is the answer. Next, 19th question. A ball is dropped from a height of 100 meter, then the ball after each bounce rises vertically by half of its previous height. This means that the first bounce it raises to 50, then 25, then and so on. This is 25, then 12.5, then 6.25 and so on. What is the vertical distance traveled by the ball between the first and the fifth bounce? First bounce starts, once it comes down, first bounce starts here, goes to 50, comes down. Then second bounce goes to 25, comes down. Third bounce goes to comes down. Fourth bounce goes to 12.5, comes down. Fifth bounce after between the fifth bounce. Therefore, it is all 2 times because vertical distance means going up and coming down. 2 times 50 plus 2 times 25 plus 2 times 12.25 plus 2 times 6.25. After that, fifth. Between fifth, then we don't want the other values. When you take the total of all this, 187.5 comes. The option matches with the third option, 375 by 2 meters. Now last question, 3 semicircles are drawn inside a big circle as shown in the figure. If the radius of the 2 identical smaller semicircles is 1/4 of that of the big circle and the radius of the bigger semicircle is twice that of the small semicircle, what proportion of the big circle's area is shaded? That we have to find out. So R1 given, it is 1/4 of the bigger circle. This bigger circle radius, I will take it as capital R by 4. R2 radius, that means this radius R2, this is your R1 and this is capital R. R2 is 2 times the radius of these smaller circles, that is R by 2 comes because when you substitute R1 as R by 4. Now area of the biggest circle is pi R square. The area of these two smaller circles together, that is 2 times pi R1 square divided by 2 because they are semicircles. So that gives you pi R square divided by 16. A2 means area of this semicircle, pi R2 square divided by 2, which gives you pi R square divided by 8. When you add up these two areas, A1 plus A2, that comes out to 3 pi R square divided by 16, that is 3 by 16th value of A. What proportion of the area is occupied? So total area is A. From that you subtract this these three areas, that is 3 by 16 of A, which gives you 16 minus the 13 by 16 of A. So 13 by 16 proportion, that much proportion of bigger circle's area is shaded because we have to subtract from the total area these three area. If you subtract, then the shaded area will get 13 by 16 proportion of the bigger circle's area is shaded. That is the third option is the answer. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.